Hi everybody. I want to give you a little peek into Canvas again today. One of the things that you seem to be struggling with is looking at assignments that have already been graded or to check to see if you've turned in the correct thing. And all of that is possible on Canvas, so I want to show you how. Okay, so say you look on Skyward and you see that you have a 0 for an assignment that you're pretty sure you turned in. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can look at it, check the feedback, and make sure you turned in the right thing. Also, maybe you scored not as high as you wanted to, and I can show you how you can view the feedback because Skyward is really just the grades. The assignment itself, like what you would normally get back on your paper, is in Canvas. That's where you have to go to see the feedback and to see what you got right and what you got wrong. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your lesson modules and you're going to find the assignment that you have a question about. So I already turned one into this one. So right away you see a couple things. You see this blue button says resubmit now. That's your first clue that you've already submitted something. If you're allowed to resubmit something, this will be bright blue. Right now it's kind of a baby blue because that function doesn't work. Over here on the right though, you can see that it says it has been submitted. It tells you the date it was submitted. It gives you this option to download the assignment. So say you just want to make sure that what you sent was actually the right thing. You can just click on this and this, excuse me, this shows you exactly what it is that was turned in. This was turned in. So you know if that's the right thing, then you gave me the right assignment. But what if you want to see feedback, you have to click this line right here where it says submission details. You click on there and it pulls up this information. And any comments that get typed, you'll see this over here. So sometimes there'll be information here. Sometimes I put the grade there. Sometimes I just put notes there. It just depends. Also, you want to click on this view feedback. This is pretty important, especially for longer assignments, because I typically will grade your assignments with my Apple pen in my iPad. So I will write on it, okay? Because that's just easier for me when I'm used to, it's like more like paper and pencil. So if you open this up, then you can see your assignment, plus you can see what I wrote on it. Okay, so like for this student, I said, no, this is supposed to be a drawing, not a copy. So you can see, like, if you had a 0 in the grade book and you come back here and you read this, you're like, oh, okay, that's what I did wrong. So it gives you a lot of information, okay? So before you shoot me off that email and you're asking for something, come back here and check, because chances are your answer can be, your question can be answered just by coming here and looking and seeing what you turned in and seeing my comments. Now, if you come back here and there are no comments or you still don't understand, by all means, email me and let me know you have a question. But first, do this just to see what the feedback has already been given, and that should help you out a little bit, I think, give you a little bit more information about how you're doing and how your learning is progressing. All right, bye for now.